So, first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So, what we are discussing today? So, first, welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain, and we are discussing a topic adventure tourism. Okay, so you all know about what is tourism? What is the meaning of tourism? The place where we go for visit, and the place we visit. Okay, for purpose, just like entertainment, fun, and joy, and for happiness. And we are talking about adventure tourism. So first, just you have to let the word the meaning of the word adventure. What is the meaning of adventure? Something dangerous, something daring, risky. So means these all are words related to the word adventure. Okay, so now we are talking about adventure tourism. So this video will be very useful for everyone. Okay, this is the presentation kind of video. So please subscribe our channel first and like, comment, share, and watch till end. Okay, just I will invite one by one to each student to describe this portion of this topic. So first I am telling you what is adventure tourism. Okay, so adventure tourism is that actually that type of tourism we faced, just like some dares and scary movements, just like if we have an hope, or if we have an just like you can say hope, or if you want to visit any risky places, just you have no fear in your mind or in your heart, so that's why you can do any kinds of things. So basically adventure tourism related to basic examples, just like bungee jumping, river rafting. River rafting of Rishikesh is already famous. And what's the example? Scuba diving or skydiving, paragliding, bungee jumping, zip lining, hope climbing, hiking, trekking. These all are the basic examples of adventure tourism. Okay, so now we will discuss about adventure tourism. So adventure tourism is a very very new factor for every person of the world. Just like for Indians, means nowadays it's an very common. Whenever you visit any kind of tourism places or any tourist place, so you can see there is some activity, means there is some charge, just like you can see in this video also. Okay, means sometimes we have an fear in our mind, but actually we have to do these kind of things, so just we get out our fear. Okay, so just some activities for water, some activities just like for mountains, some activities for generally for roading purpose. So just I am inviting one by one, what is adventure tourism in your words, or how can you say, means is any adventure tourism do you like, or have you ever done any kind of activity? Actually I have not done this kind of activity right now, but actually I will be done. Means whenever I will be visit any kind of place, just I have an hope of river rafting of Rishikesh. So this was very dangerous, but this is very, क्या बोल सकते हैं, means outdated experience, or means very enjoyful experience for us. Okay, so one by one I will invite Paridhi. Please come. So Paridhi, you will let me know. Just come. Have you ever tried any kind of adventure tourism, or have you ever seen in reality?
Yes, sir. So actually, I haven't done any type of adventure tourism, but I have seen adventure tourism. Like I have seen river rafting. I have seen the waves come very fastly, and the person who is sitting on the boat has to drive the boat, and they are very scary, and it is very scary while seeing also. But I want to do adventure tourism, like rafting, bungee jumping, and etc.
So basically you can see the rafting in this video here. Yes, you can go, Paridhi. So rafting, actually it was very risky. So we will discuss about the advantages and disadvantages, or just like pros and cons of rafting or any kind of activities we are doing. Okay. So next, I am inviting Christy. Who is there? Okay. So one by one, I will invite to you. So Christy, have you ever done any kind of activity?
As I have also not done any type of activity, but I have seen river rafting, which were my parents were doing. But I am scared, so I didn't.
Actually, nowadays, yes, you can go. Nowadays, you can see means there is an opportunity, business opportunity in just like in that field. So means lots of means unemployed persons are means thinking about means what we can do for persons. Just like sometimes it's risky also, but actually they are trying for just like adventurous trips, like for actually there are different adventure tourism for children, kids, and for adult person, and just like for youngsters and for elders persons. Means these are different kinds of tourisms. Okay, next Ayush. So means basically there has lots of charges, means we have to pay whenever we do any kind of activities, just like these kind of activities like river rafting and all. You can see the charges on the internet. Okay, Ayush, have you ever done any kind of activity?
Yes, sir. Once a time I have done river rafting with my family, where there was a low current of water, but it was risky because when we were rafting, the tube got. Sir, this is a type of air balloon. Sir, but that time it was so risky. Sir, when I was rafting, hot air balloon has.
There is two stand both of side. Actually, some persons are standing over there. Okay. Okay, next person. Garv, please come on the stage. Just please come one by one. After Tejal, push. So Garv, have you ever done the any kind of activity?
I am telling a bungee jumping. Bungee jumping is very dangerous. Pupils. Bungee jumping is very dangerous because the pupil know what about the bungee jumping. Pupils go do bungee jumping, but don't know because that because they dangerous. People are that's all.
Next, Tejal, push. One by one, you have to come. So actually, trekking means the different kinds of trekking, just like mountain trekking. Yes, Tejal. So have you ever done trekking? Okay. So just you have to let me know means what kind of adventure tourism have you done yet?
So I haven't really done the adventure tourism. In my school, there is a adventurous session in which we are just enjoying the adventurous things. Like I have done mount climbing, rope climbing, and mountain bridge crossing. So it was really risky, and and when we try these all things, so they just put a belt for our safety. Like if we fell, so we will not get damaged, and it is really risky, but it was really nice.
Just push. Have you ever done any kind of means just like bungee jumping and river rafting?
Sir, I have not done any kind of activity, but I have seen, but I have seen, river rafting in Rishikesh.
You have seen river rafting in Rishikesh? Means is there anyone who have experienced of river rafting? You have already experienced river rafting. Yes, Ayush had already told about that. Okay, yes, Shrey. Actually, means this type of things are very risky. So just means if you have any kind of problem, if you have any kind of disease, so they will means they didn't allow because they are risky, just like means your life will be no more.
So yet I have not done any type of adventure tourism, but if I have a chance to do any adventure tourism, so I will choose skydiving because it is a very great experience in my life, and it is quite risky, but it is very enjoyable, and we learn many things about this. Thank you.
Divyansh.
So I have also not enjoyed this, but I hope I will enjoy this in future. Let's
Okay. Yes. Shivansh. Siddharth. Actually, means some persons have done, means you are just like a children, so just you have not done this kind of activity because some activities are not allowing for children's, means some activities are allowing for means 18 age, means if you are above 18, above 16, above 21, so actually there are lots of problem of means with childs.
Sir, I have already done paragliding, but many pupils thinks that many pupils afraid to do paragliding, but it is very interesting, and I have already do this, and I fully enjoyment to fly in sky.
Very good. Yes, Siddharth. Harshit. Sumit. Manvi. Yes.
So I have done river rafting. It is very dangerous and amazing also. But I want to do bungee jumping, but it is not allowed for the childrens, and because it is very dangerous. Thank you.
Yes, there are lots of water sports. Means just like means ice sports, ice skating, okay, ice hockey. These are also the a part of adventure tourism. Okay, Arnav. So have you ever tried adventure tourism, or do you like adventure tourism?
Yes, sir. I have done river rafting and trekking. Trekking in my school and river rafting in Orcha. It is very amazing, and it is not allowed for children because it is very risky and dangerous.
How you have done? Not allowed for children.
Because there was a board, there was written children are not allowed.
So how did you done? Means how did you do this kind of activities? This children, if children is not allowed.
I do with my parents.
Okay. Not a single allowed with your parents. Okay, yes, Raj. So yes, Raj, have you ever done this kind of activities?
No, sir, I haven't do this type of activities or adventure tourism. But if I will have any opportunity to do an activity or adventure tourism, so I will do paragliding or other thing.
Harshit Yadav, Manvi, Aradhya.
Yes, sir. I have do zip lining in Rishikesh. In that time, I was so fear because it is so higher. I was
All persons done.
but my brother.
Is there any points?
But my brother give me some dare to do this, so I do this zip lining. It was scary, and it is also very enjoyable and very good, and it control my all the fear of higher.
Actually, sometimes it's good because it controls your fear. Means sometimes you are very must means frightened about means these kind of activities, but there is no fear like that. Okay, Manvi. So have you ever done?
No, I have not ever done this kind of activities or adventure. But I think that in future I will do because I like it very, very much. And if I will do anything from these, so I think to do paragliding, skydiving, and river rafting after 18 plus.
Very good. Yes, Aradhya.
So basically, I have done two, river rafting and mountain climbing. Mountain climbing in school and river rafting with my parents when I was not too much elder, I was little bit fair and I was little bit excited during the mountain climbing because it was the first experience I had about the mountain climbing and all. But when we started climbing the mountain, it was not that much easy. We have to face many difficulties, like there was many stones, many sand and many obstacles which were coming in our way, and slowly we reached the height, but we haven't go to the most high point because it was too much high, and already we have taken 1.5 hours to reach over there, and also we were too much tired, that's why we have returned back. And when we were doing river rafting, so it was very dangerous, and while we were doing it was nothing happened like too much dangerous, but while I've seen many videos in that the boat just been so the boat just skipped, and it was really very bad because sometimes the people also they means go with the water, because in Rishikesh in Ganga river it's very high, there is very high volume of water.
Yes. So just my next question is that if you have an answer, so please come here. Just means what precautions should we have for these kind of activities when we are doing? Okay. Yes.
So I think for some precautions are very important. Just like I think that if there are less safety when we are doing any dangerous adventure in any tourist place, so I think we should avoid them for our safety, because the safety is first, then the enjoyment is there. And the precautions are that we should not be very free. We should not be very free while sitting, and we should always be careful.
Yes, actually we should always be careful whenever we do this kind of activities, because these kind of activities are not a simple, or just like it's a very toughest activity and just like fearful activities. So just we have to remember so many things in our mind. Just we have to save ourselves first. Okay. Just actually there are lots of things to do. Means you can take so many kinds of risk in your life, but actually just you are the part of your family. So just first you have to think about your family also. Okay. Yes, Tejal.
Okay, so if I talk about the precautions while doing adventurous things, so according to me, we should maintain the safety. Like if somebody don't have first aid kit, so we should always keep one first aid kit. Like suppose we fell or we get any injury, so we are able to heal that thing. And nowadays I have seen that when people do any type of mount climbing or any type of adventurous thing, so usually they just come in a difficult position and they are not able to do more. So for that people have, after coming down, so they have pain, so for that they should be careful about that.
Okay. Next. Yes, we will complete this video. So Paridhi, just you have to conclude of this video. Okay.
Okay, sir, so I want to say about bungee jumping that children can also do. It is available so many places where a belt is tied on your back, and it is very enjoyable. I have done that, and it is so interesting.
Okay. So please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel, and please watch these videos completely, because these are very useful for yourself, just like for your family, friends. You can share with them. Okay. So goodbye.